Hello, my dear farmer friends. I am Pallavi Sakya from Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Dhubri. Youth are the backbone of a nation and they are the most potential segment of the society. They are full of power and proper channelization of this power will ultimately lead to a positive change in the socio-economic scenario of the society. There is a need to tap the potential of youth to revive agriculture, which is the backbone of rural economy in our country. Today, I am going to tell you a success story of an educated youth who became a successful entrepreneur. Kaushik Chakravarti, an educated youth of 23 years old from Hakama village of the district, came to our KVK for technical guidance about 2.5 years ago. Initially, he decided to take duck farming as his venture and purchased 15 numbers of Sarachamiri duckling from Chapor area. And from there, he need not have to look back. It acted as his turning point. From completely incomeless stage, he became the owner of 70 numbers of drags which were sold at Rs 500 per pair at the local market. Average 180 numbers of eggs per year were laid from the flocks of 40 ducks which sold at the rate of Rs 12 per pair. After raising funds, gradually he explored new venture of farming and initiated a commercial dairy unit. He is now an owner of 7 numbers of crossbred cows producing 8 liters of milk per day per animal which are sold at Rs 40 per liter in the local market of Bilasipara area. For maintaining the dairy unit, he also took up cultivation of fodder crops like maize and napier in and around 3 bighas of his farmland. He also possesses a fishery pond of around 1 hectare area. After expert guidance, he go for renovation work as the pond actually undergone eutrophication. He took bottom cleaning activity, renovation of pond dikes, application of lime in the bottom of the pond to rectify the pH level. Now his next planning is to go for integrated fish farming system. He earns around Rs 30,000 per month from his dairy and duckery unit. Moreover, from the fishery unit, he earns a profit of around Rs 50,000 per year. At present, can be pointed as a completely successful person in his venture because within a very short period of time, without any financial help, only through his dedication, hard work and positive thinking, he had reached to such a stage and become an idol to other youth in the villages. He always expresses his gratefulness to Krishi Vigyan Kendra Dhubri and the scientists for their timely guidance and technical assistance, without which it would have been difficult for him to reach such a stage. Thank you.